Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You know which law I did the first law where God gave Moses? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here so. And if you want to talk to me more about where you hear in this reading here, just drop me a line. You can find out how to contact me in the description box, yeah?
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 22 from verse 34 to verse 40. Now, when the Pharisee hear how him shut up the Sadducee them, they meet up together. And one of them, one law teacher, come ask Jesus one question for test him. Hear him now. Teacher, out of all of the law them, which one are the most important one? Jesus answer back. Love the Lord where fear God. You feel love him with all of your heart, all of your soul, and with all of your mind. These are the first rule where God gave Moses, and it are the most important one. The second one, can like it. It say, you feel love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. All of Moses law them, plus where the prophet them say, go back to them two liar. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.